another tutorial video. Hopefully this one is 3 minutes or less. I'm just going to get straight to the point. Just a reminder, if you like what I share and if it adds value to you, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, share this video with friends, other business peers. You can grow your email list and potentially make millions. I kid you not. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your list to a landing page or a lead magnet page. That way you can actually offer something free like an ebook or free course or whatnot. Whatever field you're in, you could offer something free in exchange for their information. It could be name, email address, and when that information is entered, it's collected in your list. In the previous video I showed you how to create your list. Now we're showing you how to connect your list to your landing page. Now my preferred choice for landing pages is ClickFunnels. As you can see the little pop-up there. ClickFunnels is actually the best landing page funnel builder out there right now, and I suggest you get the same. But I understand there are budgetary constraints and different factors, so make an educated decision. Find out more about it. I'll actually go into ClickFunnels a bit later on, but for now I'm just going to show you how to connect the two. So let's get into that. So you're going to hit in GetResponse, we're going to hit menu, go to integrations and API. API is the code that you use to connect your list or autoresponder to your landing page or your landing page supplier or provider. In this case it's done through API, so we click API. I actually had APIs generated already, so what you would do is actually copy the API. You click copy and then you would go over to your landing page provider, funnel builder, whatever the case is. And what you're going to do is head into that section that talks about your overall store, or account. You're going into your account settings. Okay. On the left, here's your menu. You are going into integrations. Click integrations. Now as you see, I already have GetResponse integrated into ClickFunnels. Okay, but if I didn't, I would click add integration and you'll probably see a warning sign pop up that says I'm already integrated with GetResponse. So I'll look for whatever autoresponder that I'm using or any other. So you have MailChimp, you have Entreport, you have Kajabi, there should be Kartra. You can integrate with Shopify, Webinar Jams, Jam Studio, all of them. Okay, there's ConvertKit if you're using ConvertKit. So I have GetResponse. I click GetResponse. Now the warning pops up and says I'm already integrated. You don't need to do this again if you've already connected your funnel builder, landing page provider with your autoresponder. But if I didn't integrate, what I would do is create a name for this. Here in ClickFunnels I created mine as GetResponse, and you would right click and paste or Control V, and you would enter your API and you would click add integration, and that would link your landing page to, or your autoresponder to your landing page funnel builder. Okay, so to go a little step further real quick, so that connects the two main providers, your funnel builder landing page provider and your autoresponder. Now there's a further step. Within each you're going to have different lists. So in your autoresponder you're going to have different lists. In your funnel builder you're going to have different landing pages and funnels. Okay, what I want to show you is how to connect a specific landing page or funnel to a specific list. Now this particular landing page is in the works. It hasn't been linked to anything, so just for the heck of it, let me show you how to connect it to a particular landing page, a particular list, sorry. So I would go into edit page, the landing page. Okay, I would go into settings and see it says integrations right there. I click integrations. It says it's not connected. I would go ahead and select my autoresponder, GetResponse. Now it's going to ask me for an action. The action I want to do is add it to a particular campaign, or in this case a list. Now it's going to ask me what list I want to add it to. So I click, and here are all the lists that are in my GetResponse account. Okay, you don't believe me? Let's go over to GetResponse. Lists. Okay, GetResponse list, traffic secret coming. They're all there. See that? You remember those names? Cinderella Solutions. Let's go over back to ClickFunnels. Here are all the lists. Cinderella Solution. They're all there. And what I would do, I would just, click one, and it's now connected. It's as easy as that. If I didn't want to connect this landing page to any, or if I wanted to change anything, if I wanted it in a different list, or if I wanted, when someone comes to this landing page, if I wanted the information sent to a different list, I would just click that down arrow, the menu pops up, I select a different list. Or if I wanted to remove the integration altogether, I just click remove integration, and everything is erased, and this landing page is now a standalone landing page, and if someone were to enter their information here, it would not go anywhere. So if you build a landing page, ensure that it's connected to your autoresponder and your autoresponder list. Now, just a really short video. If that added value to you, go ahead, like this video, click the link below to get your free trial for GetResponse. It's a super easy, super valuable software that you can use to build your email list and potentially build a business that would make you 6 to 7 figures. I kid you not. Okay, so like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.